Now, how about some food? How about some cookies? Alright, so this is a cookie recipe that I've grown up with. Had it basically all throughout my childhood. And we've always called them cowboy cookies, but they are just oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Let's see how these cookies are made. First, we're going to start off with our ingredients with some baking vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, 2 eggs, sugar, that can is sugar, flour, 1 cup of butter, quick rolled oats, and also brown sugar. Some chocolate chips is what I picked. You can add whatever you want, whether that be raisins, craisins, or beef. We're going to be adding in our 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to mix our ingredients until creamy. You want it to look something like this. Now we are going to sift together our dry ingredients. We're going to sift together 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then half a teaspoon of salt. Now let's whisk that together. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 325. Now we're going to alternately add in our 2 cups of flour mixture with our 2 cups of quick oats. And I am doing it half a cup at a time. Add in your chosen ingredient. And now I realized the hole is too small, so I tried ripping open a bigger hole, only to realize it was still too small, so I decided to rip open the whole bag. And now we are forming our cookie dough into roughly the size of golf balls. We are going to put those in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm going to get my second pan ready, and now we wait. They are done, and it is time for the taste test. And you can't have a cookie without a nice glass of milk. And now to see how it tastes. That's pretty good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment. And also, let me know if you tried this recipe and if you enjoyed it, or if you came up with some improvements. And if you have a favorite cookie recipe, and if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. Happy holidays.